All right, old gatekeeper here. We got a Xforce XT412 bass amplifier. Had DEIs in it at first. Got two HG2879s, driving four HG2879s. Let's see what this bad boy's gonna do. Had to use a little choke for the voltmeter so I can read the voltage on the supply. This having a voltmeter this close, I just want to kind of monitor the voltage while we're using it. See how the load is on this supply. So we're at 14.6. It's a pretty good voltage for that. All right, we got the 4-watt radio, 4 watts RMS. Which produces about 320 watts RMS. Try about 350. 350. Alrighty, let's take a look at the peak. 1,000 watts in the corner. See that? I don't know if that choke was working just then. Still getting a little bit of one of my connections come undone. We had it reading voltage. Let's see here. 13.6. That's what it's saying. 13.6. Because it's working better now. So we took that. What's your handle again?
Rattle Snake.
Got old Rattle Snake out here on this cot picking in, man. Just hanging out with the old GK. And basically, it had a pad here, a little voltage dividing circuit that was set up. And it was doing about 200 bird. And it had these right here. Two 150s, which is 75 ohms at 4 watts. And it was only doing about 200 bird at that point, so I removed it, and everything is still good, so it really don't even need that. That's a pad that was in there with the original transistors that was in it. So just removing that pad, everything's still good. It actually helped the input. I'll show you the input reflect, because the input had just a little bit of reflect in there. Now it ain't even hardly moving at all. Alright, well, we're just gonna hit a quick burp with the hot radio. What you think? Just a quick burp. We ain't gonna, you know, I would never personally myself run a hot radio with this particular box. I mean, this is perfect drive what I'm doing now. But we just do a quick key. I ain't even gonna show peak, just RMS, just out of curiosity. Just a quick key. Alrighty. Quick key RMS. I don't know what's going to do the supply down there. 13.2 volts. 480 watts RMS. Almost 500 bird. 13.2. If that supply could stay at 14.5, you'd be over 500 plus. But me personally, I don't like to run them like that.
Right.
So I say this thing's good to go. What you think, Rattle Snake?
It sounds good to me.
My buddy Rattle Snake himself done this work, and I say he done a dang good job. He just brought it over here just to make sure that everything was top notch, make sure no retuning needed to be done. The output tuning cap, you know, could probably go up a little bit on it, but everything's looking pretty decent. So I think we might just leave it the way it is. The way I look at it, if it ain't broke,
That's it.
don't fix it. We good and gone. Bye-bye.